How to rotoscope in After Effects. First, let's open your Adobe After Effects. Make sure that you already have your video ready. Once your video is ready, go to Layers over here. Make sure that you are on this tab. Then on the top, click this Roto Brush. You can resize this circle by clicking Ctrl, then left click, and slide your mouse to the left or right to get the perfect size for you. Now we will paint our subject. In our case, our subject would be the dog. Let's paint over it. You can also remove the other parts that were highlighted by holding Alt, and as you can see, your brush become red, which means you can now remove excess parts like this one. If you're not satisfied with it, you can always go back and adjust the road brush on your subject. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.